Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So basically in this channel, I teach English to the Kokborok speaking folks of Tripura. Now you may wonder where Tripura is. Tripura is a small state located in the northeastern part of India. But then I had a thought in my mind, why not teach Kokborok to the English speaking folks as well? You know, if they are interested and keen to learn, to connect with the indigenous people of the land. Let's imagine you are a tourist. You came to visit Tripura for first time. So, how are you gonna communicate? Or just start a basic communication in local dialect? Let me tell you a secret. You can connect better with a local and they will really shower you with love if you can speak even a word in their local language. You will be treated like a royalty, trust me, and thank me later. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 10 English to Kokborok sentences. Number 1. What is your name? In Kokborok, you will say it as Nini Bumong Tamo. Nini Bumong Tamo. Number 2. How are you doing? In Kokborok, you will speak it as Nung kaham da tong. Nung kaham da tong. Nung kaham da tong. Number 3. Where are you from? Kokborok. Nung bu jaga ni. Nung bu jaga ni. Nung bu jaga ni. Number 4. Where is the motor stand? Kokborok. Motor stand Burowo. Motor stand Burowo. Number 5. Can you please help me? Kokborok. Nung ano kicha chubawoy da manno. Nung ano kicha chubawoy da manno. Number 6. Thank you. Kokborok. Hambai. Hambai. Number 7. Welcome. Kokborok. Pai kaham. Pai kaham. Number 8. Sorry. In Kokborok. Nakar jadi. Nakar jadi. Number 9. I came to visit Tripura. In Kokborok. Ang Tripura beraina ni phaima ni si. Ang Tripura beraina ni phaima ni si. Number 10. Where is the nearest hotel? Kokborok. Ogana gini hotel buro ongkha. Ogana gini hotel buro ongkha. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button